Hello gorgeous, and welcome to another video. If you are new, welcome. If you're not new, hey girl, welcome back. Today this is the unit for all my big body baddies. It's a 24-inch body wave, new lace, clear lace. Hello, you don't want to miss this one. So if you want to see exactly how we got into this install, stay tuned, because this is different. This is different. Different. Hello, gorgeous. Welcome to another video. Today, we have a beautiful unit from Xrsbeauty Hair. Let's unbox it. Woo! Pulling back the bows and see exactly what they sent us. I'm excited, girl. Every time I get a unit from Xrsbeauty, I declare it's the best unit ever. This unit was 24 inches, 200% density. Also, let's do a lace comparison real quick. Lace comparison, transparent versus new clear lace. Let's have a moment of silence for the clear and translucentness of this lace. Can I get a close-up? Close-up, please. Period.
Show me the car when you're turning me on. The way you telling me you wanted me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Oh, then we cover, let me get to you clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gon' let me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show me the car when you're turning me on. The way you telling me you wanted me down.
Show me how you jigger.
Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it up? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it up? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
so much for staying all the way to the end of the video. Now, y'all know I don't do a middle part, but today, as a big body baddie, I was feeling doing something different. Now, I absolutely love this particular unit. It's 24 inches of gorgeous body wave hair. And I love it. Girl, I love it. I really, really love this unit. So if you are looking for the longer units, this one is definitely for you. I love the fact that, as you can see, it's clear lace. Now, as you guys know, I have a widow's peak, which means that my forehead is not as large as some of you other people who may have larger foreheads. Now, that's no shade, okay? There's no shade, but some of these units, you require more of a forehead, so that way you have more space for your lace, because you need a little space for your lace. Now, we're not going to talk about my part. It's not centered all the way. Again, that's me, not the unit. But I do love this hair. You guys know I've done enough Xrsbeauty units for you to know that this lace is impeccable. Now, for me, I need a little bit more of my makeup here, because as you can see, the lace is so clear, you can almost see my stocking cap. But I need a darker stocking cap, a little bit more tint or makeup. The hair is impeccable. It's second to none. There's minimal shedding. It is a very good quality unit. I love the longer units. Now, with this one, typically when you get a longer unit, the unit starts to thin out. But I didn't have this issue with this unit at all. So definitely, listen, I'm going to put all of the information as per usual down below in the description box. Make sure you check out Xrsbeauty Hair Official on YouTube, so that way you can see all kinds of hairstylings all the time if that's what you're looking for. And thank you so much for watching this video. Girl, if you're a big body baddie, you know what to do with this hair. And if you're looking for something a little bit different, but still Xrsbeauty, I will make sure to have something for you.